If you can only do one program, get stronger. That will benefit you more than anything else you could try and fail, or people try one workout and then they give up after a couple weeks and go try this workout. Just go to the gym and try to get strong. I would find a strength coach that can teach you how to do the proper low bar squat, the proper deadlift, and the press. Okay, so an outstanding program for this is Starting Strength, Mark Ripito. Time-tested, science-backed strength training program. If you follow that program to the letter, you will get strong consistently for 6 to 9 months to over a year. Another good program is Bigger, Leaner, Stronger by Michael Matthews. He focuses on the 4 to 6 rep range. He splits his workouts up in the week. Okay, so some people do like the body part split. I like the Starting Strength method, where I could go to the gym 2 to 3 times a week and I'm doing 3 sets of 5 reps. That's it. And then I'm freaking done. You can knock out your squats, deadlifts, and presses, and you can be done with your complete workout in less than an hour. As long as you're not going to the gym, screwing around, foam rolling, stretching, doing all this other silliness. Use the movement as your warm-up. As an example, you start your squats with the empty bar, and you slowly ramp up to your working sets. And then once you're getting comfortable with the heavier weights, you knock out your first set of 5. You only got 2 left, guys. And as long as those 5 reps are as heavy as you can go, okay, the heaviest weight you can possibly do for 5 reps, that's the key. That is strength training, okay? Try to get strong and you will see an insane response all across your body. Well, Randall, what about endurance? You admit that endurance is important. What the military does is they take the endurance component of patrolling and being deployed, and they say, oh, well, we need to put on tennis shoes and shorts and go run around for miles. And then we need to test people at 2 or 3 miles. Why are we patrolling in freaking shorts and tennis shoes? What else could we do that would benefit us a hell of a lot more that actually translates to patrolling with our gear? Don't put on tennis shoes and shorts and run and expect that's going to help you move around the hills with 40 pounds of gear. The modality does not match the training effect or the end goal that we want. Rucking, not hiking, because hiking is a mode of transportation. That's just having some stuff on and getting somewhere. Rucking is a way to improve that modality. You're putting your weight on, but you are moving as quickly as you can. Start at 20% of your body weight. You don't have to go crazy with it. And just try to cover distance as quickly as possible. A good time goal to shoot for is a 15-minute mile. Okay, as an example, you should be able to walk 4 miles in less than an hour without running. That is a key. That is your aerobic base right there. You are already training exactly what you're going to have to be able to perform when you are patrolling. An extra benefit of that is you will build up your bone density, like weight-bearing activities. It's super beneficial all across the board. Strengthen joints, tendons, ligaments, all that stuff. Walking around with gear on, especially out in the hills, will toughen you up. Okay, so we've got minimum 2 times per week strength training. So if you're an older dude, I'd say go with the twice a week strength training, especially if you're following the Starting Strength model, because presses, squats, and deadlifts, that's gonna crush you. So you're gonna need a little bit more recovery in the week. You know, you could do like a Monday strength training and then a Wednesday or Thursday strength training. So us older guys, your body has plenty of time to recover. So that's your muscles, joints, and your central nervous system. That's part of the recovery. And then throughout that week, you're getting your 10,000 steps in a day. And then maybe Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, you go out and do your ruck. And it doesn't have to be a crazy distance. I tell people to start at 3 miles. And I tell people that you probably don't even need to ruck more than 6 miles, ever. Okay, 6 miles by standard, that's an hour and a half. If you can do 6 miles in under an hour and a half with at least 20% of your body weight in boots, you're good to go, man. That's your endurance. That's the toughening up. That's going to prepare you for patrolling. It's going to toughen up your feet in the boots. You don't need to do any more. You don't need to do any longer distance or any of that. So for the younger people, you should get onto the 3 times per week strength training. No big deal. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You have 24 hours between each session to let your whole body rest and recover. You've got to recover. So the only thing you should be doing between those strength training days is getting in your daily activity. If we train Friday, we're going to need to take Saturday off, so we could do Sunday would be our ruck. And can you do your strength training the day after your rucking? Sure, because you shouldn't be out there crushing yourself rucking. You should be able to recover from that and come in and do your strength training. If you're crushed from your Sunday ruck, no problem, man. Take Monday off. That's recovery again. Tuesday, you come back to the strength training. We don't have to revolve everything we do with our bodies off of this 7-day calendar.